Hello everyone, today's recipe is a mutton paya. Mutton paya are trotters from lamb or sheep. I will be using a pressure cooker. It should take me about 1 hour to cook this dish. But if you want, you can cook in normal way, in normal pot. But please keep in mind it's very long process. Depends of the age of animal. It could take 6 hours or longer. It also needs to be cooked on the slow fire, otherwise it will burn on the bottom. Alright, let's check out the ingredients to make paya. Dry spices are 3 medium bay leaves, 2 cinnamon sticks, 2 anise stars, 3 cardamoms, 5 cloves, 10 peppercorns. Powdered spices are 1 tablespoon coriander powder, 1 tablespoon chilli powder, half teaspoon turmeric, half teaspoon garam masala. Ten trotters from lamb or goat, 3 medium onions, thinly sliced, 1 tablespoon ginger paste, 1 tablespoon garlic paste, 1 green chilli and salt to taste, handful chopped coriander, heat up a ghee or clarified butter. Add your whole spices and cook for about 1 minute. Keep mixing, do not burn it. They should release their aroma. Add sliced onion and give it a stir. Add ginger paste and garlic paste. Mix everything well. Cook for about 3 to 5 minutes. Add coriander, mix well. Add your green chilli. If you want, you can add more. Add all your dry spices. Mix thoroughly for 1 minute. Add salt. If you will notice it starts burning, add water, just a little bit. If you want, you can mash onion, but it's not necessary. It should mash on its own under the pressure. Add payas. Mix everything well. add 4 cups of water. My cup contains about 200 milliliters of water. Add just salt and bring everything to boil. That's gonna take a while. Once you will bring everything to boil, close the lid, cook 15 minutes on the high flame, and then reduce the heat and cook for another 1 hour. If you like soft and tender meat, cook for 1 hour and a half. After 1 hour, switch off flames and release the steam. When your pressure cooker is ready, open the lid and garnish everything with the chopped coriander leaves. Mutton Paya tastes delicious with rogni naan. You can click above for recipe. Enjoy!